install the necessary theme and plugin for this website. Okay, so first of all, let's click on here this add new this button. Just go there and simply type your Elementor, then you will get this plugin. Just simply install this plugin, or if you don't find out it, just check my video description. I already provide you all of this, and just simply just click on there, then you will get this plugin. Okay, so let's going to be installed, and let's go here the next. This is mainly Academy LMS, so let me go their website. Just simply go, and then you will get to see here, and let's click on this free one, and let's click on this download option, and then simply click on this download button. Simply just download it. As you can see, now it's downloading. As you can see, let's go back to our plugin again, and let's simply click on this upload option. So after downloading this plugin, we just need to upload here. Okay, also if you like to purchase the Academy LMS, then I will give you a discount or coupon code in my description. So if you use it, then you will get a up to 50% discount. You will get it. Okay, all right, so let's go back. Let's go to file upload. Just simply file upload, and I just select the plugin, and let's click on this install now this button, and it's going to take a little bit time for install. As you can see, now it's almost installing. And now let's click on this active button to active this plugin. Just click on there, and as you can see, now we get to see a widget. So right now I don't want to set it. Let's go back, install plugin again. So I was open on the tab, and let's also open here Elementor also, because we definitely need to activate both of these plugins. So Elementor will set us the same thing. So I'm going to close it because I'm not going to set up anything right now. I'm not going to set up anything. All right, so now let's go to Academy LMS. Go there, and now as you can see, we get a few options there. Many of them are paid, but as it's starting, I think it's a good enough. If you like to start it, you can definitely start with Academy LMS. It's free, okay, but it's definitely have a few features that are necessary and later. But as an initial starting, I think it's okay. To first of all, course add here using Academy LMS, then do marketing, earn money. Then if you have money, then you can purchase the pro plan. Okay, so here we can see all of this, right? Here is mainly the courses. You can see all of them. And here is a question answer instructor you can add, also have a tools, a lot of things there. I will explain you later, no problem. But now we need to change here the theme. So let's go to themes, and let's click on this add new themes, and let's simply search here Hello Academy. Simply search Hello Academy. This is mainly coming from, okay, so this mainly the Hello Academy, this theme. This is mainly coming from Academy LMS. So let's simply install this theme, and let's activate this theme. And as you can see, when I install and activate this theme, it's also have a Academy starter template. Academy starter template is something like using one click, you can make your site ready. So you don't need to do it from beginning, like from the scratch. You don't really need to do it. So let's click on this activate Academy LMS starter, this template, this plugin. Just click on there, and then it's gonna take a little bit, like few seconds to install and activate this plugin. All right, so now let's activate this plugin. Just click on this activate button to activate this plugin. All right, so now as you can see, we get another option called Academy Starter. Before it was Academy LMS. This is mainly the course where we're gonna add our courses, and all of the setup gonna be there. And Academy LMS is mainly for setting the design. So here, when I just click on this Academy Starter, I get to see multiple option: marketplace, university, instructor. And if you're just going to filter it, then you can definitely do it, and you can do it from here. So in my case, I'm an individual instructor. I'm not any platform that multiple instructor is there. I'm not in university, so I'm instructor. So let's click on there, and let's simply click on this import demo, this button. And it's mainly saying that few of this plugin, it's necessary to import this plugin. I mean, import this design. Few of these plugins is required to go with. So what you can do, we can simply click on this import now this button, and then it's gonna take a little bit time. What's gonna automatically install by backend automatically, and automatically activate the plugin, and then we're gonna continue again. Okay. So now as you can see, our import is almost complete. So let's see how is our site right now. Let's click on this visit site, this button, and let's see what it just make. Oh, looks great, right? Okay, this is mainly the view all courses. Let's see which website is this. Oh, this is view website is there redirecting into their website. If you see this left side bottom, then you get to see this is like the blog post that's coming from our website. So let's go there. Looks interesting though. Let's click on this courses button. We can get to see all of these courses there. So it's showing also have a course one page. So let's click. Okay, so this is have our courses page. Interesting, right? So a lot of things we already get in there, so this gonna make our work so much easier, so much easier. So I will show you in later how we can do customization this theme by ourselves. But this is awesome. We just get ready everything inside of there. And yeah, let's go here, the course. Okay, this is course. I think we need to update here our menu bar, but I will do it in later. This is the free one, so let's see. This is the free version, and we can simply start the course, or we can see enroll now this button, so we can see all of this detail in there. All of this. This is interesting. This is interesting, man. This is interesting. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard. Now I'm just going to show you that